Hey, good to see you again. It's a warm 58 degrees Fahrenheit. It's Willow, Utah. Gonna go check out this F-150 that has given us the call and see what we can do to remedy the situation. Gonna go back to the garage, grab a scan tool, and we'll see what we can do. So, got the OBD2 tool hooked up. I'm gonna scan it, see what it says. Looks like we've had EVAP leak. P0456. Let's go through a couple. Yeah, P0456 is just what's stored. I don't know if they stopped driving it because of the check engine light. It's a smart move to do. Looks like we have a 2006, maybe it's a 2000. So I popped the hood on the F-150 to see if there was anything that would jump out at me. It appears that maybe there's already been some work on this, on that valve assembly, because we have two hose clamps down here, but I'm not 100% sure. This looks pretty fresh. And then it's pretty loose. Got some more vacuum lines maybe we'll have to look into. But this is our EVAP purge valve right here. This is our main line. And I noticed it's pretty flimsy. It's fallen off of its clip. I wonder if the vibrations are what has caused the code, but it is a rubber O-ring in there. See about securing that a little bit more, and I'm gonna pull this off and double check it. Okay, heading back over to the shop. I just got to get 2 zip ties, I think. One to make sure that that little plastic hinge stays on the clip, and then we're gonna put one around that brand new hose on that barb. So we're gonna grab a couple zip ties, keep the puppies happy, and fix this F-150. 2 zip ties and some cutters. So I'm gonna clip those on real quick and then show you how I did it. Here's what I came up with. Got that is nice and snug. Maybe some engine heat will make it even better. Then I got a zip tie down there on that hose to keep it from bouncing up and down, hopefully. And then if not, we might have to replace the O-ring in there. Erased it again. Multiple times with the key on and off will give you a full cycle situation. One more. Okay, maybe it's gonna do some thinking. So with this engine code, it's talking about our evaporative emissions, which is gonna be all of the fumes from the fuel tank and our fuel system going up to the front of the truck. There's a big breather line. That's the one that we secured with a zip tie. So I'm gonna let the customer take this vehicle, and if there's anything further than this, I will report back to you. But I'm pretty sure that that wobbling around and that loose hose is the culprit, unless the customer's been dealing with this from another shop and they've finally contacted me to see what's going on. But we'll keep you posted. If you have any friends, family that have check engine lights and you want to see if it's an easy fix like this, just go ahead and, you know, refer them in the comments below, and I will hook up with them and we'll make a video and see if we can get them on the road again. Thank you so much. Have a good night, and we'll see you on the next one.